remember your name. It's because your picture is so cute in here. Make you don't look like a real person. And that was most definitely a compliment. And I don't have a P.O. box yet. Hope you reach your goal. Thank you. Jayla. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Thank you, Jayla. It's not $5 anymore. It's $10. The last day to do $5 was on the 12th. On the 12th at 6 o'clock. I announced it several times. Now it's $10 to get in my gender reveal, so people missed that 5. Well, the people that didn't want to pay 10 most definitely hurry up and paid that 5. So the cutoff is at 6 o'clock tonight, and it's $10. So really, you will owe me 6. Is there anybody that can help with my room so I don't have to throw my belongings away? Please, I ain't got nothing else to really throw away. Like, this all I got. I be holding on to my stuff because this all I have. I need these things. Is there anybody that can help with 5 to 10? 10 to 20. My Cash App is right there. It says halffabe024. The name on the account is Krishana Brown. I also have Chime, $TAIAMONET. And then I have PayPal. Good morning. Y'all not tapping the screen. Y'all getting blocked again. 20 more people out of here. I'm watching. It's too many of y'all for it to go that slow. Hold on. I'm blocking these people real quick. I can't see y'all comments, so commenting will not help you if that's what y'all are doing. I promise you it won't. Because you're going to either do the 3 things that I've asked, and 2 out of the 3 is most definitely free. And so I don't even want to hear any excuses. Because you're going to get kicked out. And no, I'm not blocking, because then that means you can still watch my live. No. No, I'm not muting, because you can still watch my live. So I am blocking. I actually blocked a little bit more than 20. Yeah, I blocked a little bit more than 20. It'll be all right. Good morning. Is there anybody that can help with $5 to $10, $10 to $20? It's to help towards my room so I can have shelter, so I don't have to throw away my belongings. I had till 9:20 to raise. It is 9:06. The only reason I had till 9:20 because I had to head to therapy. So by the time I get out therapy, I will not have enough time to have raised for my room. Now, if I don't got nowhere to go, I would have to wait after the fact. Is there anybody that can help with $5? Can I have 4 people send 5? Yo, why my lights look like that? That's weird. Y'all see my lights? It got like thunder and lightning bolt and a hat and a I don't know what's going on. It's weird. Tap the screen, share the live before I start blocking again. Thank you, Rebecca. And the next time I start blocking, it's actually going to be like 40, 50 people at a time. It's just going to keep going and going and going. And you're going to get replaced every time. That's why the number ain't dropping. Because somebody else going to come in. Thank you, April. Oh. Yeah. Because what is it? It's 1,000 people that's been in here, and it's only been 20 minutes. 28 minutes.